Hi, I'm Laiho, and I'm the chair of the Biomedical Engineering Department at Cal Poly. While I wish we had an opportunity to meet face to face so that you can learn more about the Biomedical Engineering Department, I'm excited by this opportunity for a virtual open house so that you can learn about our wonderful department and all we have to offer. Hopefully, all of this information will help you figure out if Cal Poly is the right place for you. Biomedical engineering is an interdisciplinary field in which the principles and tools of traditional engineering fields, such as mechanical, materials, and electrical engineering, are applied to real world biomedical problems. Engineering plays an increasingly important role in medicine, which includes areas such as advances in medical devices, development of cell and biologic therapies, improvement of healthcare delivery, early detection and diagnosis, and basic research. By its very nature, biomedical engineering requires a foundation in the engineering sciences, physiology, and other biological sciences to enable real contributions in the field and to society. Thanks to the dedication and expertise of our faculty, our students are exposed to the latest techniques through interdisciplinary hands-on learning. The Cal Poly Learn by Doing approach to projects and experiences is a core element of our department. The Biomedical Engineering Department has an outstanding network of alumni, industry sponsors, and donors who all work together to provide a comprehensive learning experience through rigorous classes, laboratories, project opportunities, and internships. Our graduates have successfully transitioned into different biomedical engineering industries in a variety of roles in established companies, as well as startup companies. Our students have also successfully transitioned to graduate school at various master's and PhD programs, medical school programs, law programs, physical therapy, and nursing programs. Our students and faculty in the Biomedical Engineering Department here at Cal Poly are passionate and supportive about biomedical engineering, learning, and improving the quality of life of others in society. Please take a moment to go through our open house website to learn more about our department, our faculty and students, as well as some alumni. Please stay healthy and safe. And thank you for considering biomedical engineering at Cal Poly. We hope to see you on campus soon.